In Texas, a new form of architecture is growing, and the Texas A&M University System is shaping its future. Cross-laminated timber, or CLT, is engineered by layering kiln-dried lumber at right angles, creating strong, stable panels built off-site and assembled fast. The new Applin Center at Texas A&M University will showcase this rising innovation. All sourced from Texas sawmills, used for floors, walls, and roofs. This building will be a living classroom. Students will learn by touching the grain, working within its walls, and witnessing how architecture and forestry come together. From East Texas forests to campus architecture, the Texas A&M University System is growing, leading, and empowering architecture that matters.